First Sunday in June is National Cancer Survivors Day, a celebration of life taking place in hundreds of communities nationwide. Well, a special celebration is happening this week at Lemon Holton Cancer Pavilion in Grand Rapids. We have Bert Elliot, a breast cancer survivor, activist and volunteer, and Jessica Marley, events coordinator at Spectrum Health Cancer Center, here to talk about this great event. Welcome, ladies.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you. Okay, so Bert, let's talk about your journey, because you are very involved to help survivors.
Yes, ma'am, I am. It's my calling.
Yes, indeed. So you were diagnosed in 2012.
Correct. Yep. Call from my physician Friday afternoon at work. You know, when you get the phone call and it's the C word and you're like, no, this can't be right, right?
Yeah.
This can't be right. So, yep. And then I had a friend there that was at the office late with me, and we just hugged and cried and went home and said, okay, now what do I need to do?
Yeah, exactly. And so here you are 7 years later, and you have really poured your life into helping make sure that the programs are there for people who get that call now and in the future.
Yes, yes. I volunteer at the Cancer Pavilion, Lemon Holton Cancer Pavilion at Spectrum on Tuesdays. In the resource library, where a lot of patients come after they've been diagnosed to get information. A lot of times just talk to somebody who's been through the journey, ask a lot of questions. It's really humbling to be able to do that.
Yeah, I'm sure you give out information. You probably give out a whole lot of hugs and Kleenex as well.
Lots,
yeah.
Lots of things. And the Resource Center is such a wonderful, amazing resource for people. I mean, we have so much there that I'm not sure everybody really knows yet. So, yeah, we're working on that.
That's right. And Jessica, I know that at Spectrum Health, you know, you really are dedicated to patient education, and that's got to be so important, especially when someone initially gets that cancer diagnosis.
Yeah, it definitely is. We have a lot of resources there at Spectrum Health to help those survivors and current patients just to get through that tough journey that they're going on. So we try to offer a lot of resources to help that.
Okay, and so we're talking about celebrating survivors. Yeah. Let's talk about the event that's going on tomorrow.
Yeah, so it's one of our favorite events of the year. So it allows our cancer survivors to come back into our building and celebrate with those caregivers, physicians, and nurses that kind of help them through the journey. It's really a day to cherish life and honor the journey they went on. We have a lot of fun activities going on. It's a free community event, so all are welcome to attend that have been touched by cancer.
Yeah, we're asking people to RSVP just because I know that there are a lot of really special things going on, including some food. You want to make sure you get a good head count, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we have a lot of fun activities going on. We have some food, like you said. We have live music. We're going to have some therapy dogs there, massages, a lot of fun activities. So if you go right on our website, you can RSVP and let us know you're coming. We're just really excited to celebrate with everyone.
Yeah, as you were going through the journey, did you develop great relationships with those caregivers, the providers, the doctors, the nurses, the other support staff that you were able to go on this journey with?
It's a great question. And yes, I can't tell you how amazing the multi-specialty team is at Spectrum. You get to meet everybody that's going to touch you in some way in your journey. And then they have nurse navigators that help you, you know, when you're just like overwhelmed with all kinds of things, they help you calm you down, help you get where you need to be, call, all kinds of good things.
Yeah, I'm guessing that diagnosis immediately, even though you had been somebody who were high-level professional for your entire career, that's got to just hit you like a ton of bricks. Your mind goes blank initially.
Oh, totally. You have no idea. You kind of like stand still in life and go, okay, I can either not deal with this well, or I can move forward. And I have all this help, all this medical help.
Yeah.
Like, you know, and the wonderful physicians. I can't say enough about everybody who took care of me.
Yeah, the support, the volunteers, and you're part of the Patient Advisory Council at Spectrum. How important is that, do you think, sort of that leadership from the inside out?
Very important. And the cool thing about that is that Spectrum listens. You know, we make a lot of suggestions as patients about all kinds of things. Food, processes, welcoming, parking, all kinds of things.
Yeah.
Because we want, Spectrum wants to make, because I volunteer there, we want to make it better for the next person that comes along.
Yeah, and Jessica, if people are interested, of course, RSVP, but if they want to get information, specifically reach out to the Spectrum Health Cancer Center. It's pretty pretty easy for people.
Yes, we have a designated phone line for any questions. So it's 1-855-SH-CANCER, and they can get a hold of a nurse navigator there and answer any questions that they have.
Any questions, even maybe a second opinion, or somebody who may be at a different facility.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, thanks so much. A great celebration coming up tomorrow, surviving cancer, and a great celebration for survivors. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks for having us.
And stay right there. More of 8 West when we come back. Don't go away.
Are you West?